Good evening, Shruti.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. You please do revise till your friends join. We'll start the class.
Okay, sir.
Revise the concept. Let your friends join. If they are joining, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
not? Abhinav,
Sir,
Vashi.
no, sir. Actually, I have power cut here, sir. So
Okay.
network. That's why.
So till what we have discussed, so there is huge content to write, for the notes.
Sir, till common tangent, sir.
So till common tangent we have learned. Common tangent. In common tangent we have seen two these things, right? So circle touching externally. Till this we have done. Okay, very good. So next, look at this. Next, circle intersecting each other. If we have two circles intersecting each other, right? Look at this. Baba. If I draw a tangent like this, and guys, may I know why didn't you attempt the test yesterday? Who all are attempt the test? I think Abhinav, who attempted the test? Shruti attempted.
Sir, me, sir. Me and Abhinav.
Abhinav. What about Vasist, Raghav? Why? Why you guys didn't attempt the test? I'm asking.
So it was Rakhi, so everyone came here, so I wasn't able to.
अरे भाई ये राखी पूरा दिन भर राखी बंधवाते.
तो फिर क्या होता है,
हाँ?
लोग आते हैं सर, लोग आते हैं तो ऐसे तो नहीं होता सर, सुबह राखी बांध दिया और उसके बाद बोल दिए चलते नहीं।
हाँ वो नहीं होता है, मैंने वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. You just one hour of time. 1 hour of time.
नहीं होता।
हाँ?
अगली बार से ध्यान रखूंगा सर।
Sorry.
सर आई विल टेक केयर फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम, आई विल गेट बेटर।
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just 1 hour of time. You just invest 1 hour of time, then we go for the whatever the festival you have, function you have. See, if you're that is what I'm telling. These all are like you can make it out. यार कितना भी शादी होने दो, कितना भी बड़ा फंक्शन होने दो. It's just 1 hour of time. ये घंटे से कुछ नहीं लेने देने का है. ये घंटे करो, जो जितना भी आए तो सेटिस्फाई, जो 0 मार्क्स भी मिले, बट यू शुड नो द क्वेश्चन. यू शुड नो क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है एग्जाम में, किस तरह की क्वेश्चन. आपको थोड़ा एग्जाम, क्या बोलते हैं, एग्जाम के बारे में तो मोटिवेशन मिलता है ना. अरे समझ, you just get to know what kind of questions will be there in the competitive world. Vasist, why didn't you attempt Vasist?
So that I was preparing for a chemistry test on Monday. I completely forgot about it. It won't happen again, sir. I promise.
Okay. So chemistry class?
I had a chemistry assessment on Monday, sir. So I was preparing for it and I forgot about the test.
Forward about, see, these are silly excuses, Vasist. Basically, I don't understand. I don't, I don't want to hear this kind of experience, to be honest. I had that assessment, this assessment. Yes, sir. Like these are silly excuses. That's what I prefer. So yes, I'm feeling sorry actually. Please don't be like that. Please don't procrastinate anything. I'm telling you, right? Don't procrastinate. Just take it as a challenge. Attempt all the tests, no matter what, whether you're getting good marks, bad marks. No one is gonna kill you. Just do your job.
ओके सर।
Yes, sir. It won't happen again, sir.
Attempt all tests. No one is gonna do anything. Even if you are getting less marks, someone is gonna come and just ask you, why did you get less marks? Yes, if they ask also, it's a good, the sake of the good purpose. It's the sake of good only, isn't it? All tests. All right. Is that clear? Yes. Now look at this here. So how many direct common tangent here? I can just draw only two direct common tangents. I cannot draw transverse common tangent. Transverse common tangent डाल सकते हो क्या? We cannot draw, right? Between से कहाँ से डालोगे? Look at this here. You cannot draw a transversal common tangent when the circles are intersecting each other. When circles are intersecting each other, only direct common tangent is possible here. You cannot draw transversal common tangent. Transversal common tangent मतलब देखो ऐसा होगा, ये हुआ था, ये ट्रांसफर, ये पॉसिबल है, ये एक पॉसिबल है, एक पॉसिबल है, मगर व्हेन टू सर्कल्स आर इनसाइड ईच अदर यू कैन नॉट ड्रा ए ट्रांसवर्सल कॉमन टेंजेंट. आया समझ? इधर ओनली डायरेक्ट कॉमन टेंजेंट इज पॉसिबल हियर. सो लुक एट दिस नाउ. मॉडुलस ऑफ रेडियस 1 माइनस इसका कंडीशन क्या होता है? रेडियस, डिफरेंस ऑफ द रेडियसेस विल बी लेस देन व्हाट? सर्किल सेंटर 1 and center 2 and is will be less than r1 plus r2. इधर देखो कितना कॉमन टेंजेंट मिलेगा, इधर मतलब टू कॉमन टेंजेंट. आया समझ? टू कॉमन टेंजेंट. सो डायरेक्ट कॉमन टेंजेंट हैज बोथ सर्कल्स एंड बोथ साइड्स. लुक एट दिस, डायरेक्ट कॉमन टेंजेंट हैज बोथ सर्कल्स. देखो ये कॉमन टेंजेंट है ना, दिस कॉमन टेंजेंट इज टचिंग टू द बोथ सर्कल्स. This common tangent is touching to the both circles. So I could just draw two common tangents over here by touching either of the circles. Right? Next, when circles touching each other internally, when the circles are touching each other internally, what will be the conditions? Guys, you just don't worry, we'll solve the questions, right? Whenever we are solving the questions, you will get to know exactly. So just take it easy now, don't worry. And I'll do one thing, guys. I'll share a couple of pages. I'll share a couple of pages which is which is required for your understanding. So circle touching each other internally. Yes, I understand this is a kind of boring concept only, but ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. सो व्हेन सर्कल्स आर टचिंग इंटरनली, देखो circles are touching internally. Look at this here. This is my center 1. तो ये तो थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया, सर्किल थोड़ा छोटा हो गया. Okay, center 1 and center 2, and this is my radius 1. If I say this is my radius 2. ठीक है. So how many common tangents I could draw here? Common tangent कितना डाल सकता हूँ? How many common tangents are possible here? Come on. See, the only condition is how many? One common tangent.
One sir.
Because if I just draw a tangent, it will be touching only one circle. If I draw here, it will be touching only one circle. If I draw here, it will be touching only one circle. Now, so only one common tangent can possible here. That too here from here. This is the only common tangent. भाई ये देखो. ठीक है. This is the only common tangent where I can draw by touching both the circles. So what would be the condition here? What would be the condition? So C1, C2 is equal to different, modulus of R1 minus R2. Here only one common tangent. I could say only one common tangent. Here direct common tangent. So no transversal common tangent possible here. Only one direct common tangent possible on the same side of a circle. Both circles. Now one circle inside the other. अगर एक सर्किल दूसरा सर्किल के अंदर है, देखो one circle देखो ऐसा कुछ भी है? Oh, by see, without drawing a proper diagram you will not understand. Yes, देखो ऐसा है, देखो ये center 1, simply center 2. What would be the condition now? One circle inside the other. One circle inside the other. Sorry, here inside the other मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा अंदर आना चाहिए. Inside the other. Look at this now. Can we draw a common tangent here? Tell me.
No,
Can we
sir.
draw? No common tangents.
No, sir.
No common tangent. What will be the condition here? C1, C2, A less than R1 minus R2 के बराबर है. इसका condition. So guys, look at this here. Try to follow this, and there no common tangent here, right? So now guys, try to observe how we can comment. How we can comment actually. Look at this here. Look at this. 1 second. Guys, now let me summarize now whatever we have learned so far. I'm going to summarize within a short way. Look at this, very important. Try to listen to me carefully here. I'll share the whatever I'm writing now. I'll share that, I'll share everything, don't worry. So just try to observe here how we can comment upon the positions of two cycles. How we can comment upon the positions of two cycles depending on their radius and depending on the radii and the distance between the centers, depending upon the radii and distance between the centers. Now these are the two things which we are considering here. All right, so now look at this here. Now if I just draw what we have done, the first one, if I just two circles like this. First let me draw circles. 1, 2. Okay. Look at this in different cases, guys. In different cases, look at this. This is my center 1. This is my center 2. This is my radius 1. This is my radius 2. Okay. So what is the condition? What could be the condition here? C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. All right. Here Look at this. Try to understand this carefully. Try to observe this carefully. Very, very important. Now look at this. This is my center one. And one thing, guys, let me just a minute. Let me copy all this so that next time also you can just. Oh, oh भाई मुझे मारो देखो हाँ चलो this is what हाँ देखो हाँ now look at this center one, this is my center two, this is the radius, ठीक है तो इधर कंडीशन क्या होता है C1 C2 will be always equal to sum of the radius. So similarly here this is my center one, this is my center two, so here difference of the radii will be less than or equal to product of the centers. This is what we have learned. Look at this. Right now, if I talk about this one, this is my center one, this is my center two. So C1, C2 will be equal to difference of the radius. Difference of the radius. Now look at this. So here C1, C2 is less than R1 minus R2. So these are the conditions. This is summarization. I would say summarization. Very, very important. Now look at this. Now again look at this. Now again look at this. One thing, just a minute. Look at it one by one. See guys here, how many common tangents I can draw here? Number of common tangents. You write here number of common tangents. Number of common tangents. You write. Common tangents. Okay. So look at this number of common tangents. So how many number of common tangents I can try here?
4.
1, 2, 3. Oh, something 4. Okay. Try to understand that. That's it. So how many? 4 here. Number of common tangents 4 here. What is the condition? What is the condition? What was the condition for this? What is the condition when two circles? Look at this. Condition was C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Okay. So now look at this. When I can draw two direct tangents here, one common tangent, one transversal tangent. So how many common tangents possible? 3. So what is the condition for this? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Right? Now whenever two circles are intersecting each other, देखो एक मिनट थोड़ा इसको ऊपर ऐसे डाल दे. So I can just this. Okay. So how many common tangents I could draw? 2 common tangents. And that too, look at this. What's the condition? एक minute. There are 2 common tangents I could draw. What is the condition for this? Very, very important this one, guys. While solving the questions, I'll just recap it again. Already you might have learned this, I'm sure, but still What is the, how many common tangents I could try here? There is only one here. Only one. Need not to go for whatever we have just gone. That is for your understanding purpose. But if you just go for the summarization, that's all. That is enough for you all. So one common tangent I could try. That is one common tangent. What is the condition for this? C1, C2 is R1 minus R. So here, how many common tangents? 0. 0 means 0, 0 here. And what is the condition of C1, C2? So basically, so what is this? What is this? This is like, we are observing here. We are observing how can we comment upon the positions of two circles. How can we comment upon positions of two circles depending on the radius, and the distance between their centers. So these are the basic, understanding. Next, guys, look at this here. Now we'll try to solve the questions. We have one more concept, but I'll share that notes. Don't worry. Now the first question is, let the tangents drawn from the origin to the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. 1 second. Touch it at the point A and B. AB square equal to dash. Option A is 52 by 5. Option B is 32 by 5. Option C is 56 by 5. Option D is 64 by 5. Make it fast. Solve this question. Let me correct the charge. See, let the tangents drawn from the origin to the circle given, touch it at the point A and B. Then AB square is equal to what? Very good question. So this has been asked in 2020. So if you know the one formula, so Length of chord formula. What is the length of chord formula? Very, very simple, guys. How long will you show length the tangent drawn? Did you try? What is the approach? Can you please tell me what is the approach? Hello, guys. What is your approach? Anyone of you? So let the tangents drawn from the origin to the circle. Which circle? That given. Touch it at point A and B. Then what is your approach? I'm asking. Nobody is telling. Hello. अरे भाई देखो सर्किल क्या दिया guys respond I'm asking how many of you got this whether you got or not this is a given circle यही है ना हाँ तो इसको कैसा लिखूंगा मैंने how can I just write in a perfect so x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 16 how can I write this one how can I just make into 8x right 8x so देखो तो this can be written as x square मतलब a so 14 square तो मुझे ऐड करना है हाँ देखो तो इसको प्लस 16 है ना तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट x minus 4 होल स्क्वायर सो प्लस y टर्म्स क्या है तो y minus 2 होल स्क्वायर तो इसको मुझे क्या करना है प्लस 4 आई शुड ऐड प्लस 4 एंड माइनस 4 ऑन बोथ साइड सो प्लस 4 ऑन बोथ साइड्स on both sides right if I add 4 on both sides what I get x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 16 plus 4 is equal to 4 so देखो x square minus 8x plus 16 together y square minus 4y plus 4 together is equal to 4 4 can be written as 2 square so this can be written as what x minus 4 whole square this can be written as y minus 2 whole square this can be written as 2 square आया समझ so the length of tangent we need to know first what is the length because he is asking the tangent drawn from the origin tangent drawn from the origin तो कैसा होगा देखो diagram you should understand first एक सर्किल हो गया एक अरे रे ये तो अंडा बनता है हर बार एवरी टाइम इसमें अरे रे भाई क्या होता है ओके सो दिस माय सेंटर हियर व्हाट इज माय सेंटर हियर 4,2 4,2 है ना 2gx इज इक्वल टू 8 तो करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा 4,2 तो हाँ 4,2 सो tangents drawn from the origin देखो इधर से हम लोग क्या करते हैं अभी if I just draw a tangent from the origin look at this एक tangent एक और भाई I just draw a tangent so point of intersection is here which is let's say point P so there will be some relation between these ठीक है मुझे ये डिस्टेंस क्या है देखो क्या दिया है ए बी ना ए बी पॉइंट क्या है ये भी कहाँ है दिस इज माई ए बी दिस इज ए दिस इज बी हियर इसका मुझे डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है ठीक है दिस इज व्हाट द डिस्टेंस आई नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट ठीक है ये क्या है डिस्टेंस दी है ए बी डी लेट ए बी इज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए बी राइट देखो ध्यान से सुनिए इधर, what is going to be PA, what is going to be PA, what is going to be PB? ये तो कितना बनेगा, देखो दिस इज माई थीटा नाउ, दिस इज मेकिंग सम एंगल थीटा, आया समझ? हाँ, दिस इज मेकिंग एंड थीटा, सो दिस इज व्हाट नाउ, दिस इज 2 AC, AC is 2, हाँ, so now this is also make a theta, oh अरे भाई 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 भाई, this is also theta, आया समझ? So P, this origin let us say 0,0, this is 2 here, y, and this is 4 here, 2, 4, right, 4, 2, right, so 2, 4, so ये कितना बचेगा, this one angle theta, so 2 cos theta, can I write 2 cos theta? आ रहा है समझ? 2 cos theta. Now look at this. Now I need to find out what? I need to find out AB first. We need to find out AB so that I could find out that AB square. So let the tangent drawn from the origin to the circle touch at the point A and B. That is what the diagram. So now मुझे बताइए ये क्या होगा? आपको ये नहीं समझ, लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड? व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड फॉर्मूला? Length of chord of contact. How many of you know formula? This formula 2 times of LR divided by square root of L square plus R square. भाई बहुत सिंपल फॉर्मूला है, आपको ये पता चल जाएगा तो बहुत सिंपल है. What is L here? What is L here? What is R here? बताइए जल्दी से. What is L here? Hello, what is L? Square root of कहाँ गया वो भाई? L formula, what I told you, L formula. What is L here? 16, isn't it? I told you. How many of you agree with my point? L is equal to square root of S1, so it gives me 16, which gives me 4. What is R? What is R?
2.
2 how? Square root of
4.
Square root of 4 plus, which gives 4 square, which gives me 16 plus 2, which means 4 minus किसके बराबर? इसका बराबर, ये है ना, देखो ये वाला. हाँ देखो, if I just do that, what I get here? This will go off, this I'll get 2 here. So now simply substitute in this formula length of chord formula. आपको ये पता है तो चलो, तो 2, 4, 2 divided by square root of 16 plus 4, मुझे मिलेगा कितना? 8, 16, 16 बाई 120, so 16 बाई, तो ये मिलेगा 2 root 5, तो 8, so 8 by root 5, isn't it? This is my
64 by 5 AB square.
so AB square कितना मिलेगा मुझे? 64 by 5, 64 by 5. देखो तो R तो सिंपल 2 ही है ना इधर, देखो R स्क्वायर मतलब 64 by कहाँ है? देखो डी ऑप्शन. आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हो, आया समझ? लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड पढ़ा, ये तो कॉर्ड ही है ना. दिस इज व्हाट माय कॉर्ड, इजंट इट? मुझे बताइए ये कॉर्ड होता है कि नहीं? कॉर्ड इज व्हाट ऐसा इज सेगमेंट, ये कॉर्ड
Yes, sir.
होता कि नहीं? वही होता है लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड फॉर्मूला. व्हाट दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट. सो 2LR divided by square root of L square plus R square. You must know what is L and what is R. If you know that, very simple. You should identify immediately. आपको आपने आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो, उधर ये भी का लेंथ पूछ रहा है तो वो क्या है? कार्ड हुआ है, वो कार्ड हो गया ना. He is asking for length of card. So if you know that, if you identify that, then your answer is going to be pretty simple. Done. So next question, shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. where I get next one. Next question. A circle touches the y-axis at the point at the point 0, 4 and passes through the point 2, 0. Which of the following lines is not a tangent to this circle? Option A, 4x minus 3y plus 17 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. A circle touches the y-axis at the point 0, 4. Tell me the answer quickly. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Done? Guys, done. Let me give a hint here how to solve this. अरे भाई देखो, सर्किल टचेस द y axis at the point 0,4. सर्किल टचेस द y axis at 0,4. देखो मतलब फर्स्ट हाँ, look at this. This is x axis, this is y axis, of course. Circle touches y axis at 0,4. 0,4 matlab somewhere here, and passes through the point 2,0. Passes through the point 2,0 matlab somewhere here 2,0, right? So touches, circle touches y axis at this one. Circle touches this one, is touching here. So this is how it is making a point here. Look at this. This is 0,4 here. So this is my center. This is my center, isn't it? So what is asking for? Look at this. Circle touches the y-axis at the point 0,4 and passes through the point 2,0. Which of the following lines is not tangent of this circle? देखो कैसा करना है. This is what the diagram here. Which of the following? पहला मुझे first I should know equation of for this is the question, guys. Equation of family of circles. How many of you know family of circles? Guys, equation of family of circles, how many of you know that?
Sir, S plus lambda is equal to 0.
Huh?
Family of circles, right, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, like S plus lambda, S plus S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0.
No. X minus x1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus some lambda into x is equal to 0. Why? Now it this is the condition. This touches the y-axis at the 0,4. So I just wrote this. And given that passes through what beta? 2,0. Matlab x value is 2 now, y value is 0. So 2 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square plus lambda x is equal to 0. So 4 plus 16 plus lambda x is equal to 0. So lambda x is equal to minus how much? Sorry, lambda x means
20.
lambda x is equal to 2x here. 2 lambda, right? 2 lambda. X value 2, no? So 2 lambda plus 2 lambda. So 2 lambda is equal to minus 20. So 10. So lambda is
10 minus.
okay. So lambda value minus 10 I got. So now just verify the option one by one. Lambda value 10 hai, so now you can solve it. I just gave bit hint. You can just verify the option. Whichever the option is not satisfying, then that is not going to be your answer. That is going to be your answer. What is asking for? Look at this, sir. Which of the following is not a tangent? Just check it out. I think we have done with the time, guys. Let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. I'll share these notes with everyone. Please find it out. Clear? चलो, thank you. मिलते हैं कल के क्लास में. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.